Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to show you Noriko ALVA in two colors. This is Creamy Toffee Rooted. I also have it in Silverstone. I purchased this with my own funds from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there and check it out. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Okay, let's get started and look at Noriko ALVA. Okay, let's look at Noriko ALVA. This is a popular style. Mine was on back order for quite a while, but I think it's well worth the wait. If you like a budget-friendly wig, a wig that has bangs, you might really enjoy this style. Let me show you the back. These longer bobs are just so popular right now. This one has a 9-inch front. This just showing you where this hits on me, so you might get an idea of where it might hit on you. It's tapered. It has this bang that's 3.9. Now this is way too long for me. I will trim these bangs for sure, but I just wanted to show you this is how it came out of the box. Like I said, if you like a basic cap, there's no bells and whistles on this wig. It is very basic. It has a lot of permatease. If you don't like permatease, this absolutely is not your wig. I, however, love permatease, so right up my alley. Easy to work with. Noriko fibers. You can mess this up. You can get a lot of volume. I'm not highly styling this wig. I am putting it on, running my hands through it, showing you some ways you might could wear it. I'm going to put a little sea salt spray in mine just because I like to create a piecey look, just my preference. And this product does the trick. I think I'm on my second bottle of this. I love it. I use it almost daily. And I just like the effect that you can get just with a little sea salt spray. Like I said, these bangs are too long, but I will trim them. Let me give you a look up close at Creamy Toffee Rooted. Blended shade made up all this beautiful light honey blonde. It has a little platinum running through here, as you can see. And then this dark root. Now at the end of this video, I will go outside and show you everything about this wig in outdoor lighting as well as Silverstone in outdoor lighting. So be sure to stay to the end for that. And let's now look at the inside of the cap. Okay, here's a look at ALVA. Again, basic cap, lots and lots of permatease here. No lace front. Now, this is a nice touch where they sew some of the fibers into the closed ear tab. I like that. Pull adjusters, non-extended felt nape, and there's a good bit of stretch here. Let me show you Creamy Toffee Rooted up close. Okay, we are back with Noriko ALVA. I'm going to just do a little bit of heat on this with my hot air styling tool. Be sure to do this at your own discretion. Applying heat to synthetic, you have to be careful, but I like to give my bangs just a little turn under. And so I will use this hot air tool. Always keep it moving in the fiber. And you can easily just give your bangs a little bump under if that's a look you like. I do. And any wig that I have that has a fringe, a bang, I will almost always run that styling tool through it. Just a little bit. Now, like I said, these are long, but you could sweep these over to the side if you would like. And just wear it like a side fringe if you did not want to trim them. Mess them up. Bangs on a wig. I like that. Okay, let's look at Silverstone. Okay, here is ALVA in Silverstone. I really enjoy Silverstone. I own it in several different styles. It has this dark brown base, and then it's blended with lots of different grays, as you can see. But this dark base gives it a lot of dimension. And as you can see, you can really see it through the sides. And again, I will have outdoor photos of this so you can get a look at Silverstone. And of course, I'm going to do the same thing with it and run my hot air tool through the bangs just to give them a little bump under, just a hair. And super easy to do. This is a really nice style. I can see why it's so very popular for Noriko. Okay guys, that's my review of Alva. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay to the end. I'll show you how it looks outside. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.